How to share messenger group link. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily share your messenger group link. So first thing what you want to do is simply open your messenger application and simply head over to any of your group of which you want to send or share your group link. So simply click on I button from the group of your group, and once you're inside here you'll be seeing invitation link under the chat info option. So simply click on it and make sure you have enabled this. Without this you can't share your group link to anywhere. So once you turn it on, you will see different types of option. First option basically copies your invitation link and from which you can share it to any of your social media platform. And second option is used to send your link via your messenger to any friends so that you can invite them to join in this group, or you can simply select on this share button where you can send your messenger link to different types of person using different social media like Gmail, WhatsApp, or any other social media platform. So that is it for today guys. That's exactly how you can easily share your messenger group link. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.